Hello, parents. I wanted to just go over with you how some tricks with Canvas so you can see how your students are doing and what's going on. I'm using a Canvas course that I'm enrolled in right now to show you because it's harder to show you from a teacher's viewpoint because you won't be seeing the same things. So if you go into modules, especially in my class Utah Studies, they'll be arranged with modules. And if you notice, and so again, this is not my Utah Studies class, but the assignments, things that the kids get points for, there always to be a due date underneath, and then how many points is it worth? Okay, so that is something always to kind of like look out for. Another thing, if you click on grades, you can see what students have submitted and what they have not submitted. So for example, for me, you can see, oh, this is the stuff that I've done, and this is the stuff that I am missing. And then you can click on this assignment and I can go and do it and then hit the submit the assignment button. When I hit the submit the assignment button, um, it will, oh, I have to type some things, type all those things in there. I'm not gonna do that right now, but and when you submit it, it'll give you a time, damn, I'll go and fix this later. But yeah, we'll say, okay, I'm gonna submit this assignment. So I go in and it'll say resubmit the assignment. Okay, and it also will give me a time stamp about when I turned in this assignment. So that's something always to look forward to, is to look for the submit button. Then when I go back into grades, you'll be able to see, oh, here I did turn in that assignment. It just hasn't been graded yet. Okay, also if there's feedback on the assignment, there'll be these boxes right here to say maybe I need to check on that. So maybe if my student's looking at this and maybe instead of 1 out of 1, I got like 0 out of 1, but I turned it in. If you look at that, that will give comments and feedback from the teacher about what the student needs to do to fix that grade. Okay, hopefully that's helpful and will help you as you're trying to navigate this online learning. Thank you for all you do, and please let me know if you ever have any questions.